English language, page number 154, phrasal verb. In the previous classes, we have done idioms. Have you all completed the work? Have you all completed the work, the exercise of idiom that I gave in the previous class? Okay. Today we are going to start phrasal verb. Phrasal verb we will start, page number 154. Live with Amija and Mustafa. I want to know from both of you why you were doing useless messages in the group. So many times I've said don't do any extra useless message in the group, but you all don't understand, especially boys. On your camera, Thar. From the next time, I don't want any useless messages in the group. Whichever child is going to do such message, I'm going to remove that child from the group, especially with Amija Mustafa. All right, page number 154, phrasal verb. We are going to start. Look at the definition. Phrasal verbs are also, as we know, as I explained you in the previous class, phrases are incomplete sentences that give us half information. Similarly, phrasal verbs are phrases, small phrases where verbs and prepositions are used. We all know verbs are action words, doing words, and prepositions are the connecting words. Not connecting, they tells us the relationship between the object and the subject. Like the cat is under the table. So under the table is a phrase, and under is the preposition, and the cat is sitting at the table. Sitting is the verb. So phrasal verbs means they are phrases which tells us some sort of meaning. One phrasal verb may have more than one meaning also. Like, look in the book, it will be more clear to you by reading the definition. A phrasal verb is a phrase that is made up of verb, adverb, or preposition. Keep underlining. A phrasal verb is a phrase that is made up of a verb, adverb, or preposition. The meaning of a phrasal verb is different from the meaning of the individual words themselves. Means what the meaning of the phrasal word is, that is different from the actual words that are used in the phrase. For example, if I say add up, now add up does not mean to add something. Add up means to make sense. So phrasal verbs are those phrases which have meaning, but the meaning is different from the words which are used in the phrase. Okay. The meaning of a phrasal verb is different from the meaning of the individual words themselves. Some phrasal verbs have more than one meaning. You have to underline all these four lines. Okay? This is the definition of phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is a phrase that is made up of a verb and an adverb preposition. The meaning of a phrasal verb is different from the meaning of the individual words themselves. Some phrasal verbs have more than one meaning. This is the definition. Okay. Now let's read few of the phrasal verbs from the chart. Add up, to make sense. Means add up does not mean here to add something. It means to make sense. Break up, back up, to give support. Back up, to give support. Blow up, to explode, to become very angry. The man blow off or blow up means he became very angry. Break away, to separate. Break down, to lose control or to go out of order. Call back. When we say, no, I'm going to call you back in 5 minutes. So call back means to return a phone call. Call off. Call off means to cancel something. Carry on, to continue. Check out, to pay one's bill in a hotel. Now, check out means there are two meanings here. First, when you check in and check out in a hotel, and second, to investigate something, to go through something, to check something. Then come in to enter, turn page, cut in to interrupt. Basically, you don't have to learn the chart. You only have to read and understand what does the phrasal verb means. What you have to do is, for exams, you have to learn the exercise. So we are going to discuss this exercise given on page number 156. Open page 156. Open. Now, this exercise we are going to do today, and you have to do it in fair copies, plus you have to learn for your exams also. Okay? Chart you don't have to learn, exercises you have to learn. Dipithavi, just sit straight. One of the elephants dashed from its pack, broke away. Right there, broke away. Broke, broke away. Mute your mics, all of you, and write quickly. It will be easy for you to hear. Broke away. Broke away, Manvi. Broke away spelling you don't know? Broke away. Next, Bharti dash when she heard the news. Bharti broke down. Broke down. Could you please dash in 10 minutes? Call back. Could you please dash in 10 minutes? Call back. The game was dash because of bad weather. The game was called off. Called, C-A-L-L-E-D. Called. C-A-L-L-E-D. Called. O-F-F. Off. O-F-F. Called off. I was cleaning up and dash some old photos of father and mother. Came across. Came, C-A-M-E, came across. A-C-R-O-S-S. C-A-M-E came. A-C-R-O-S-S across. Number 6. I often dash in front of the TV. I often drop off. D-R-O-P, drop. O-F-F, off. Drop off. My cake dash when I tried to cut it. My cake fell apart. Fell. F-E-L-L, fell. A-P-A-R-T, apart. F-E-L-L, fell. A-P-A-R-T, apart. Fell apart. Point number 8. It's important to dash with your teammates. Get along. Get along. Point number 9. I cannot wait to dash from the city. I cannot wait to get away from the city. I cannot wait to get away from the city. Dash, point number 10. Dash to the railing or you will fall. Hold on. Hold on to the railing or you will fall. Point number 11. Mahi is really dash going on a holiday. Mahi is really looking forward to. Looking forward to. L-O-O-K-I-N-G. Looking forward. F-O-R-W-A-R-D. Forward. T-O-2. Looking forward to. Point number 12. I always dash my grandfather. He was a great man. I always look up to. Look up to means I always admire my grandfather. Look up to means I admire. The next, Pradeep went to the shop to dash a new computer. Check out. To check out a new computer. To check out, CHECK, out, OUT, out. Check out. Done? 14. I can't dash what you are saying. Can you speak louder? I can't make out. I can't make out. As always, Anjula dash late. As always, Anjula turned up. TURNED, turned. TURNED, turned up late. Dash, there's a spider near the bookshelf. Watch out. Watch out. WATCH. 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 OUT, out. Watch out. I'm repeating all the sentences. Point number 1, broke away. Point number 2, broke down. Point number 3, call back. 4, called off. 5, came across. 6, drop off. 7, fell apart. 8, get along. 9, get away. 10, hold on. 11, looking forward to. 12, look up to. 13, check out. 14, make out. 15, turned up. 16, watch out. Clear to everybody? I have repeated the answers. I have repeated the answers. When I'm going to give you the link, you see the video again. If you have missed out anything, you can check from there. Check out from there. Okay? Phrasal verb, check out. This exercise and definition you have to do in your pair copies, alright, today itself. Any other doubt? Tomorrow I'm going to check your work, whether you all have done or not. Okay?